Hey guys, it's Tori. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and coming to watch my nighttime skincare routine. So to start, I'm going to take the Bioderma Micellar Water and apply it to a cotton round and all over my face. I like to use this micellar water because it's super gentle but fully removes any makeup or sunscreen that I'm wearing throughout the day. My skincare routine is really designed to keep my skin healthy and glowing while preventing any clogged pores because I'm prone to those, and without sensitizing my skin. I have two favorite cleansers, this Lot VIP 02 from Biologique Recherche and the Tata Harper Clarifying Cleanser. Today I'm going to be using the Clarifying Cleanser because I have been experiencing a couple breakouts. I love how minty and foaming this cleanser is because I feel like it deep cleans my skin. If you look at the ingredients, you'll see that it's honey based, which I love because honey's antibacterial, and it also has white willow bark, a BHA to unclog pores, and lactic acid to gently resurface the top layer of skin. I also sometimes like to use my Foreo, this vibrating silicone brush, to help deep clean my skin. I prefer this to the Clarisonic because the silicone is not going to harbor any bacteria and you don't have to change the brush head. After patting my skin dry, I'm going to apply the P50 toner from Biologique Recherche. This product is described as a cult favorite magic potion because it exfoliates, hydrates, and balances the pH levels of the skin. I have the 1970 version, which contains phenol, an ingredient banned in the EU and Canada because it works to super heavily exfoliate the skin. There's lots of different versions of this product, but this one also contains niacinamide to help reduce inflammation and minimize pores, vinegar to help unclog the pores and balance pH levels, magnesium chloride to work to reduce any acne, lactic acid and AHA to retexturize the top levels of skin, salicylic acid to penetrate deep down into the pores, and then sulfur to absorb any excess oil. Next, I'm going to apply the Tata Harper Concentrated Brightening Essence. This works to brighten and plump my skin and make it nice and glowy while fighting any dark spots. Ingredients like lavender flower water help to hydrate the skin, while microcitrus astralica fruit extract, also known as caviar lime, stimulates gentle skin peeling to promote a glowy complexion. Papain is an enzyme that works to smooth the surface of the skin, and there's also loads of vitamins and minerals. Every other night, I apply the Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos Glycolic Serum. This can be a little bit intense for some people's skin, especially after applying the P50, so I'm sure to only apply it in my problem areas like my chin. There's lots of awesome ingredients in here, but I want to point out the glycolic acid, the main call-out ingredient. This works to penetrate into the pores and unclog, promoting a glowy complexion, along with the salicylic acid. When it comes to eye cream, I am really not that picky. I will use almost anything that's lightweight and hydrating. I definitely do feel like you need an eye cream to keep the area hydrated because these creams do contain a higher concentration of ingredients than, say, a serum, but really anything will do. I like this one because it contains sodium hyaluronate and caffeine to keep the area looking bright and awake, and I also really love to do these little circles to stimulate blood flow around my eyes when applying my eye cream. If I'm breaking out, I like to use this high frequency one that I got on Amazon for literally $30. A mild electrocurrent runs through this wand, and by zapping it on your acne, it's going to kill any bacteria. Next, I'm going to take this Boosted Contouring Serum, another Tata Harper product. I do work for them, which is why I have all of these expensive products and can use them liberally, but I use this serum all over my neck. This works to tighten and firm the skin, and while it's really thick and I don't want to put it on my face, it goes perfectly all over my neck to prevent any fine lines and wrinkles from forming. Even though I'm 23, I feel like because I have this product, why not start? I have tried so many moisturizers and I always come back to the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. It's affordable, it's drugstore, it is oil-free, it's fragrance-free, so it's not sensitizing at all. And I love that it contains ceramides, which are essential lipids for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. This moisturizer is perfect for me because it's lightweight and it never clogs my pores. For the last step in my routine, I'm going to apply the St. Jane Luxury Face Oil. So this face oil has tons of hydrating botanicals in it, and I smooth it all over my skin to lock in all of my other steps. You'll notice that it has things like shea nut butter, pomegranate seed extract, and in particular, CBD. CBD helps to calm any inflammation in the skin, and I really find it to be beneficial. On nights when I have a little bit of extra time, I love to use this Gouache tool. After applying face oil, it slips so perfectly, and I like the Gouache over the Jade roller because of the way it hugs the crevices of my face. This tool is going to help boost circulation, which is going to promote glow and luminosity in the skin, while also promoting lymphatic drainage, flushing out any toxins, and lifting and firming the skin. It's also super duper relaxing and helps to sculpt the face. I can't go to bed at night without a lip mask, and this one by Bite Beauty, their agave lip mask, is my current favorite. It smells so good and contains things like agave nectar, mangosteen extract, and acai to deeply hydrate the lips. Notable mention here are these acne patches by CosRx. These you just stick on any zits and they literally disappear overnight. They are magic. Thank you guys so much for watching my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next week. Bye!